Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to launch standard 10th English medium video. Subject is maths. Chapter number 2, polynomials. Right? So we are going to start this chapter. Before starting this chapter, we have to understand what is polynomial. Right? So polynomials. Suppose this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. Right? So x square and x, these are variable and it has a power. But same variable, power difference is known as polynomial. More than 2 variables, more than 2 term is known as polynomial. Suppose this is a polynomial 1, 2, 3 trinomials, right? Suppose I remove this is a binomial. I remove this one will be monomial. 1 term monomial, 2 term binomial, 3 term to trinomial. Right? Now we have to understand the variable and coefficient. X square, x are variable. 5 is a constant, right? Now 4x square, there is 3 term, 4x square, 3x and 5. I have written in vertical column 4x square, 3x and 5. If you are asked what is the coefficient, coefficient means the variable which has a multiple. Beside this x square, beside this 4. The 4 is a variable, right? X has a 3 coefficient. It means whatever the number before the variable is known as coefficient. x square के आगे जो आता है उसे coefficient कहते हैं. x के आगे कितना है 3 and 5 is a constant, right? So we understand this, what is coefficient. Now what is power? How many power raised to variable? So x raised to 2 means 2 is a power. First 2 is a power. X has a 1, so it means 1 power, it has no power, means 0. Now coefficient x square के आगे कितना है 4. X has a 3 coefficient and 5 is itself is a coefficient. Understood? So coefficient and power, you have to understand this pattern. Now I am going to start 2.1 exercise. In the following figure, for any polynomial, the graph of y equal to px is given. Right? Y equal to px graph is given. In every case, find number of zeros of px. So how many number of zeros intersecting? So suppose you have already studied in earlier standard graph. The horizontal line is known as x-axis. Vertical line is known as y-axis, right? You know already. So the line, whatever line or parabola or curve intersecting to x-axis, you have to see only x-axis. This line does not intersect. This line does not intersect. मतलब एक दूसरे को काटती नहीं है. तो क्या मतलब it has a 0. तो y equal to px has only 0 zeros. मतलब it has no 0. We can say that, right? Because it does not intersect. Now second one. This is x line. This is y axis. This is a curve. This curve is a parabola. So this curve does not. This curve intersect x-axis in only one point. Only one point. Then I have marked here. So it means that it has a 1 0. How many zeros? 1. Next. This is x-axis. You have to see only x-axis. Don't look at y-axis. So 1, 2 and 3. It means it has a 3 0, right? This is fourth graph. This parabola intersect at 2 points, one here and one here. It means it has a 2 0. This is your answer, right? Now this is x-axis. You see, you don't have to see this y-axis. How many points does it intersect? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it has a 4 0, right? 4 0. Now sixth graph. This is x-axis. You have to see only x-axis which intersect at 1, 2, 3 point. So it has a 3 0. Understood? So what point you have to remember? You have to remember only the curve which intersect at x-axis. We don't have to look y-axis. That you have to keep in mind. Right? Now I am going to teach you another topic, that is you have studied in a previous standard factors. You have to remember 3 factors, right? And on this basis you have to find out the zero. Method 2. Find zeros of quadratic polynomial and check relation between coefficient and zeros. Right? To factorize the polynomial and compare with 0. It means factorize. You have to first factorize. After factorization, you have to check. So there is a one formula for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. It means x square has a coefficient, x has a b coefficient, and c has no code itself. Now sum of 0, sum की formula minus b upon a. तो minus b upon a, b upon a. Product of 0, c upon a. So this is c upon a. So now I am going one example. So alpha plus beta, that two formula you have to remember, and after factorization you have to check it. Now I am taking one example. Now there is some factor. Basic factorization basics. First formula is perfect square. A square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b. You know this formula, right? You are studying in 7th, 8th and 9th standard. Now this is on this basis we have got a factor 4x square minus 9. So what is the square root of 4x? So 2x. 9 square root of 9 means 3. You have to take both the numbers square root. दोनों का square root लेना है. Now a square minus b square. Compare this. So a minus b, a plus b. It means this is a, this is b. So you have to write 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. Simple way. One time minus, one time plus. You have to take square root and write 1 minus and 1 plus sign. Okay. Now second thing. Second thing is common. How to take out the common? So suppose we have one polynomial 25x cubed minus x. What is common? Common means what? The less power is common. So x cubed and x. Which one is less? So x. So x we are taking here out of the bracket. Now what remains? The 25x cubed. I remove x. So how many powers will be remain? 25x square. Right? Now x will be removed. So we have only 1. If x is taken out of the bracket, it will be 1. यानी कि x मैंने कॉमन निकाल लिया, जो बाकी रहता है उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखो. 25x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट कितना? 5x. 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1. So 5x minus 1 and 5x 1 above whatever the methods is I have mentioned in the above. बराबर is according to a square minus b square formula. 25 square root of 25 5x, 1 का square root 1, 5x minus 1, 5x plus 1. 1 time minus, 1 time plus. This is same, but we have to take the common out of the bracket. Second method is common. Now third one is a trinomials. बराबर तो trinomials is this. Now x square minus 2x minus 8. 3 टर्म है, इसको ट्राइनोमियल बोलते हैं. 8 बन जाए 8. तो you have to multiply first and last term first. 8 into 1, पहला और लास्ट 8 बन जाए 8. Now tell the table in which table does the 8 come. So 4 2s are 8 in such a way that we have to take the answer 2. 8 का टेबल ऐसा बोलो कि बीच में -2 आए तो 4 2s are 8, राइट. अभी यहाँ -2 लाना है तो 2 से 4 कैसा है, बिगर. तो जो बिगर है वहां पे साइन लगा और छोटे के पीछे प्लस लगाने का, बराबर. तो 4x plus 2x, right? Instead of 2x, 4x plus 2x. So take the common now. X common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4. Now x minus 4 is the same. So x plus 2 you have to take common, right? So in this way, compare with 0. After factorization, you have to compare. So x plus 2 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0. So plus 2 will go on that side, the sign will be changed. प्लस का माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. तो मैंने क्या किया, ट्राइनोमियल्स. यू हैव टू टिक हियर 8 4 2s are 8, 2 4 is a bigger, so you have to write here sign, बराबर. Always keep in mind, if this factor is bigger than middle term, to take this sign on bigger value, right? Now compare this, x is equal to plus 2 will be minus will be 4. Now what I told you, sum of 0, formula for sum of 0, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means this one is alpha, this one is beta. 4 minus 2 to 2, barabar. Now you check with this formula, whatever answer comes you have to add together. Now alpha plus beta, put the value in minus b upon a. So minus plus, to 2 by 1. How did it come? So 2 means the sum of this alpha plus beta minus b upon a. So here this is a question, x square minus 2x minus a. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus a. A minus 1 minus 2 minus a. Put this value in minus b upon a. So minus 2 upon a. A means 1, minus plus 2 upon 1 means 2. Both answers should be same. So the question was check out this. So the answer is same. Now second, product of 0. Product of 0 means alpha beta. Alpha beta means what? 4 and 2. So 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, minus 8. Now check with this formula, c by a. C by a. So c is minus 8 and a is 1, minus 8 by 1 is 8. So both answer is same. Correct? So the condition is satisfied. Now fourth question, 4u square plus 8u. What is the common? Common is 4u. Why? 4 1 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 is a common. Which one power is less? कौन सी पावर लेस है, u स्क्वायर और u में u. तो u बाहर निकल जाएगा. तो 4u what is remain? 8u बाकी रह जाएगा प्लस 4 2s are 8. तो ये दो फैक्टर है, उसको कंपेयर करो 0 के साथ. 4u equal to 0, u plus 2 equal to 0. तो 4 नीचे जाएगा तो 0 by 4 0 plus 2 will be minus 2, right? These are the two answer, alpha and beta. Now check as above mentioned. Sum of 0 means minus 2 plus 0 तो minus 2, बराबर. Product of 0 यानी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 into 0 तो 0. Now by this method, a equal to how much? So this is a question. Here a equal to 4, b equal to 8 and constant is not there. So we will write here 0. Now check it. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. 8 upon 4, 4 2s are 8. Alpha beta equal to c by a. So 0 by 4, so 0. In this question you have to check in the formula also and find out the 0. This is the one and second method. Now I am going to teach you this one. This third sum is not in sequence. 6x square minus 7x is given in back side. So you have to take in middle term. So 6x square minus 7x plus minus 3. Now what is a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7, c equal to minus 3, right? Now trinomial factor. 3 6 are 18. 18 in which table does it come? 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Write down like this. 7 and 9. Come back. The 9 is bigger than this middle term. So put this middle value, middle sign in the bigger. So instead of 7x, you have to write 9x and 2x. So yeah, I write here 9x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Common. 6 and 3 comes in the 3's table. X square and x means x less power. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. There is no common. It means 1. You have to 1. Take out 1. 2x minus 3. See here. Both brackets should be same in trinomials. Take this one bracket and collect this common 3x plus 1 and that is 0. You have to compare both the numbers with 0. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 3 will go on that side. It will be plus and 3 by 2. But second answer plus 1 will be go there. So minus and 3 will be denominator. Numerator will be denominator. These are two solutions. Now check it. The product, sum. Sum means what? Alpha plus beta. Sum of this 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. प्लस है लेकिन यहाँ पे माइनस है. Now cross multiply. 3 3 जा 9, 2 2 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. 9 minus 2. How much? 7 by 6. Now product. Sum. और now check by the formula. Formula what is formula? Minus b upon a. Minus b upon a मतलब minus 7 upon 6. So minus minus cancel plus 7 upon 6. This is the sum. Now I am going to check the another thing. Sum. Now product. Product means what? Alpha beta. Multiply each other. So answer 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. This is the answer. Now check this by formula. C by A. C by A. What is C? So I have written here minus 3 and 6. So minus 3 by 6. The answer will be same. You have to check this, right? So this is the process of 0. Find out 0. How to find out 0? To factorize by 3 method, 1, 2 or 3. Either any method you can find out. And then first factorize this, compare with 0. Whatever answer comes, then put into product and sums formula. Okay? And you have to do this 3 and 4 sums by yourself. Okay.